And let me say this. Nobody should in any way, shape or form suggest that Natasha should be in any way, shape or form grateful or have any sort of gratitude for coming forward and for seeking justice. Absolutely not. There are a number of changes underway in relation to judicial training, in relation to sentencing guidelines, in relation to preliminary trial hearings. But you're right. Sometimes we think we've come very far as a country. And then you know what? Something like this pops right up and we realise we haven't come nearly as far as we think we have. We've a lot more work to do in this area and our work continues.
Taoiseach, Deputy MacDonald, I'm going to break with tradition. Thank you for coming here today, Natasha. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to respond to the circumstances that you find yourself in. Can I ask everybody here to stand and applaud Natasha? We are on your side.